Hi and hello everybody. Welcome to the new YouTube channel Knowledge Sharing. We have plenty of knowledge to share from our YouTube channel. So before we enter into our channel, hit the like button. Share the channel to someone so that they learn something new knowledge. Subscribe the channel so they will get regular updates and push notifications. And drop your queries in the comment box if you have any questions. Knowledge sharing is similar to a library book from which you can learn and gain more knowledge. Library book refers to the book which has more knowledge about the persons, animals, human beings, or any other thing, whichever it may be. It may be describing the knowledge about a particular person or a human being or animal or any other thing, whichever comes first. Knowledge is totally a complete description of a person or human or animal being or any other thing. Knowledge is totally sharing about the knowledge and how the knowledge was spread around the world. Knowledge sharing can be done easily and quickly. Knowledge sharing can be have a many variety of ways to share the knowledge, including websites, application, social media, internet, newspaper, magazine, and much more. Knowledge sharing is the basic for each and every person to share their knowledge from one place to other person around the world. We will discuss all about the knowledge one by one and how the knowledge was shared and derived. First one is the website. Website which is derived from web plus site. Web means we all popularly known as the World Wide Web, which is shortly referred to as web, and through the web only all the communications around the world are taking place. Google is the best search engine for the web. To search anything from car to or any other materials, you are searching Google only first. So Google is that much famous throughout the world, such as computer, laptop, desktop, smartphone, tablet, PC, or any other devices. Site refers to any other google.com or facebook.com or microsoft.com, like that. So we enter the combination of web plus site, which is simply referred to as website. We are saying it is a website and we are just only knowing it is a website. And how the website was derived and launched, that one we are going to see now. And for launching a website, we have domain registration, which is a mandatory for all websites to have a particular .com domain or .in domain or any other domains. Now the recent things all as came such as .asia, many more things, many other domains came recently available up to .xyz. You can also share your knowledge through many other domains. Just suppose we assume that how the Google got its domain means the world famous popular domain is GoDaddy. Through GoDaddy, the domain is registered as google.com in the first, and then they have asked for the security protection, malware protection, and many other security protections to protect and spread around the world. In that way, the first Google is introduced its google.com around the world, and then it has expanded its business to Gmail, then Drive, Assistant, My Business, AdWords Express, Keyword Planner, and much more tools. The Google is also then extended its domain to .co.uk and in many other countries around the world. And now the Google is top king of the world, controlling around 90% of the the entire world's population market, and it has many of the persons are using only Google Chrome and many other browsers. And apart from that, the Safari from Apple and many other things are provided, only few through by Apple company. And like this, the domain got registered and the domain is available for sale in such as google.com, and then expanded its business to many geographic locations. How this website google.com works around the world? It is totally controlled and connected to a server. Server means it's a full room of rack spaces where many SSDs and multiple storage devices are connected, which is only possible to transfer files from one place to another place around the world, and also doing many other things, controlling the computer and sending messages and IMAP, POP, and many other workflows through Gmail for assistant and many other things. It only works through the servers around the world. These servers we have two types in servers: front end and back end. Front end means just we are giving the total coding such as Java or any other thing, and it is stored in a local server, and it is sent to a server which is around the country or around the world. Through that server it is connected to another server around the world, and it has established its process. And backend is nothing but we are giving a totally providing a database storage, how much amount of GB or MB storage is used, and the storage is also used to send to the servers around the world. Through this both front end and back end, these servers are interconnected with a wireless coaxial cable that is used to connect the servers and computers around the world. That it has a Ethernet cable and many other cable. It has a twisted pair cable nowadays used for the servers and many others. In this way only the website Google or Facebook or Microsoft is launched and working around the world. Next one is the application. Application is very cost effective compared to many other things such as website or any other thing, because an application cost requires just $2,500 to $3,500. So if we want to spend many on application, means you have to invest or you have to combine with partners, and then you have to create an application. If you create an application, it is very cost effective. How the application shares the knowledge that we are going to see now. The very famous popular apps in India is known as One India Tamil. From One India Tamil we know many news around the world and many news around the Tamil Nadu and many other things also. And that latest news is about Chennai Metro and how it is working, what was the process going on, and that through that application we know all the details how it works, and we also know many things how it works like that. Through this application it is very possible to provide many other useful news to us. Next one is the social media. Through social media also we can share the many knowledges. Nowadays through Facebook, LinkedIn, it has come around digital marketing. Digital marketing is nothing but it is a computerized connection around the world. Through if we send any message from one country, it will be shared through the another country through the same social media, Facebook or any other WhatsApp, Instagram, Skype, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and more. So it is through social media also you can share